You spend months coding the perfect expert advisor. In backtesting, it's a machine, navigating drawdowns and executing with precision, appearing to guarantee a funded account. You buy the prop firm challenge, plug in the bot, and let it run. Within hours, it hits the profit target. It's exactly the result you predicted. But instead of a congratulations email, you get a termination notice. Your account is flagged, the challenge has failed, and your fee is gone. This happens because while a trader sees a profit target, the firm examines the trade logs. They aren't just paying for high balances, they're paying for a specific risk profile that fits their institutional business model. If an algorithm generates returns by exploiting broker infrastructure or taking on mathematically unpredictable risk, the firm classifies it as a liability. To them, those profits are a signal of a system that will eventually break their bank. Protecting your automated edge requires aligning your code with the firm's need for long-term survival. Trades are instantly filtered into risk profiles. The first flags speed over skill, like latency arbitrage, detecting microsecond differences between feeds, executing on the slower one. High-frequency tick scalping hits this same red column. These exploits strain servers and create friction with liquidity providers. A second profile focuses on systems that trade probability for certainty, attempting to mask poor entries with aggressive position sizing. This is a Martingale system. By doubling the position size exponentially after every loss, it assumes a win is always around the corner. But in a live market, a single outlier or prolonged trend triggers a catastrophic drawdown no account can sustain. Because these strategies are either mathematically fatal or mechanically parasitic to the broker, they trigger an automatic DAN. The next filter isn't looking at the trade mechanics, but the identity of the trader. Thousands attempt to pass challenges using identical mass-marketed bots or external signal providers. When thousands deploy the same bot, the firm absorbs massive centralized risk. If that one bot fails, the firm loses everything at once. This is why using non-unique strategies is a breach of contract. What firms actually want is an algorithm that mirrors the habits of a professional discretionary trader. Your bot should execute standard, logical strategies, like price action patterns, that a human could trade manually with discipline. The markers of a compliant bot are unmistakable. It trades at a reasonable frequency, caps risk at roughly 1% per trade, and has a hard stop loss locked on to every execution. Successful automation provides the one thing humans often lack: the ability to execute a proven trading edge without hesitation or emotional interference. Once you have a compliant strategy, you have to transition from a theoretical environment to a live fire simulation. This is your pre-flight protocol. Knowing the rules doesn't matter if your bot hasn't been calibrated for the specific infrastructure of your chosen firm. You must test on a demo account that perfectly replicates the spreads, commissions, and leverage of the live challenge. If you're targeting FXNX's zero pip conditions, your simulation must use those exact parameters. If your test simulation can easily slip into a daily drawdown violation when the real costs are applied. The stakes of a rule breach are final. There is no appeal for a flagged EA. You face an immediate challenge failure, the forfeiture of all profits, and a permanent program ban. Real funding requires viewing automation as a tool for extreme discipline, ensuring every line of code respects the firm's institutional safety limits. Audit your EA's logic today. Use the resources in NX Learn to build compliant systems, and start forward testing your edge on an institutional-grade NX1 account.